That monthly charge for a Netflix subscription buys you more than just shows. It buys you a psychological relief valve. To build a user base of hundreds of millions of people, Netflix engineered a frictionless retention engine. Every single piece of their interface is calibrated to eliminate a very specific consumer problem: indecision. If you open up an app and spend even a few minutes trying to figure out what to watch, you get frustrated and close it. The true enemy of an entertainment platform is that exact moment of fatigue, when you decide to go do something else entirely. To understand how a mail-order DVD company came to dominate global attention spans, we have to look past the content library. We need to examine the psychological machinery running underneath the play button. Think about how we used to consume media. Television viewing was dictated by rigid temporal constraints. Broadcasters decided what you watched and exactly when you watched it. The entire process was heavy with friction. If you wanted to see a film, you drove to a physical video rental store. If you followed a narrative series, you scoured printed television guides, waiting a full week between episodes. By pivoting away from physical DVD rentals and building a streaming ecosystem, Netflix removed those physical and mental barriers. Suddenly, you had absolute control over the time and place of your entertainment. This removal of friction reset user expectations, making the old model of scheduled programming feel like a relic of a more difficult era. In 2013, the platform took a massive risk with a series called House of Cards. Instead of pacing the story out over several months, they released the entire first season on the exact same day. This aggressive release strategy deliberately rejected the broadcast television model. It prioritized instant consumer gratification over drawn-out suspense. This distribution choice turned the binge watch into a standard behavior as millions of people began trading their sleep for 10 or 12 hours of a single narrative in one sitting. The explosion of binge watching revealed a deep-seated demand for total, uninterrupted immersion, a story consumed strictly on the viewer's own terms. But an infinite on-demand library creates a dangerous new problem. When humans face thousands of options at once, they experience decision fatigue. To solve this, the company launched an open competition, offering a $1 million prize to crowdsource a predictive recommendation algorithm. Granular viewing data funnels into a central algorithm, outputting a personalized grid to prevent choice paralysis. The system also tests distinct artwork for the exact same show, tailoring thumbnails to fit your specific psychological profile. Neuroscientists have found that the human brain can process an image in as little as 13 milliseconds. Because we absorb visual information that quickly, serving the perfect optimized piece of cover art is critical to capturing an immediate click. The algorithm's true purpose goes beyond simply suggesting good shows. It is designed to guarantee you make a viewing choice before the friction of indecision causes you to lock your screen and walk away. All of these frictionless features act directly on your mental state. The ultimate goal of the platform's design is to make it as effortless as possible to sit down and turn your brain off. Behavioral studies on streaming habits consistently point to three primary human motivations for binge watching. Viewers hit play in search of relaxation, boredom relief, and a way to escape reality. In this context, escapism provides an existential comfort. It serves as a reliable, instant mechanism to close off the stresses of the here and now and sink completely into an alternate world. By combining an infinite library with optimized artwork and zero friction, the platform perfectly caters to this modern human need to avoid reality. This level of psychological lock-in redefines traditional marketing. For Netflix, the digital product itself functions as an always-on retention engine. Releasing highly bingeable original stories generates organic cultural cachet. The daily word-of-mouth conversations surrounding these shows perform a level of subscriber acquisition that traditional paid advertising could never replicate. The company achieved global dominance by prioritizing the psychological benefit of escape over the mere technical feature of streaming video. To build a brand that sells a feeling your customers crave, you need the right strategy. Visit brandinn.online to transform your marketing into a powerful growth engine.